Hey guys, today I'm going to show you some tricks in the Scandinavian defense. First of all, what is the Scandinavian defense? Scandinavian defense, white plays e4 and black responds with d5. So what do you do here? Mostly you will take the pawn on and then black responds by taking with his queen. But today I'm going to show you a much better way to play this. Instead, you play bishop to b6 with a check. Bishop to b5 with a check. So let's see how we would block here. The computer says c6, knight to c6, bishop to c7, knight to d7, 7, 7, and queen to d7. These are the 5 ways black can block. He'll most likely respond with bishop to d7. Now, we're leaving this pawn without any support. So we play bishop to d3. So now we have support. And black plays his bishop to f5. Right. And we just keep adding defenders. But now, what happened? He can only add one more attacker. Now we just defend the queen. So now look at the odds. If he takes like this, and this, and this, and this, and this, and you are equal, right? So now what he will do is, he will play c6. Because why not? What? It will stop you from checking, and yeah, things look good for white, right? No, they're not good. Now he plays knight to f3. He, he, now what he's probably gonna play is e6 because he wants to develop this dark square bishop and castle. Well, bad news for him, he can't. Actually, he can. Just castle. He'll probably play bishop to c5. Now what you do is, you play d4. Now his bishop is under attack and there's no defenders, and computer is suggesting to retreat the bishop anyway. So why should he defend? Because if he defends like knight to d7 or something, then he just lost the bishop for a pawn. But he's attacking our queen now. So what do we do? We might have thought of checking, but there's no way to do check right now. So what the heck can we do over here? Instead, counter attack on the queen. It's not exactly a counter attack, but you trade off equal material. If he takes, you take, and it's a queen exchange. Now what he'll probably do is he'll play rook takes d8. Now what I want you to do is bring your rook on the a file to d1. Because yeah, now this would be an exchange if he takes. Because rook takes and we take back. He castles obviously. We go on knight to e5, and if he plays f6, we attack his rook and the pawn, by the way. But the pawn is defended. Now what your friend is likely to do is play this. But now this is the killer move. Check with the knight. If he takes and we take his rook, look at how much advantage we have over black. Because now he's forced to move his king. And now we keep getting his king closer to the knight. And now we give him this check. King is supposed to move away, he'll probably do this. And now check. King here. We move our rook to the other side of the board. Now he can only move here. And now this check. Okay, king moves here. We bring our king closer. If he takes a pawn, we control this. He takes our other pawn, like that. Now he takes the third pawn, and we are controlling. Now he can only just move around. We get a pawn for free. He keeps getting closer to our rook. Now we move to the other side. And now, when this happens, checkmate! Now let's see another response that black might give here. If we give this check, he might block with the queen. Now we take the queen, and he captures with the bishop. Now we get this pawn. We happily take it for free. Now what he would do is he would play c6. And now what do we do? So we will obviously play c4. Because now if he takes, we take back. Heck. And now what? He's thinking of castling and play go knight e6, but we ruin his plan somehow. We can't ruin his plan. Instead, we threaten to castle. And castling here is a blunder because check, king moves, do this. If king moves here, we attack his rook. And now, he will definitely move his rook here. Tell me what you think. Now, if he moves his rook, actually he won't. He'll capture your queen. If you take the knight and rook here, and it's lost. So instead of queen to c7, here what I would like you to do is play pawn takes on e7. You get what we're trying to do here? If he takes like this, then we come here. Well, and now you must get the point. We're trying to get this rook. He'll definitely move his knight, trust me. But now we bring our knight. Here, he'll play this. Maybe. But now, here we go! This is the killer move. He takes, now we castle. Now, trust me, he'll bring his bishop here. In that case, push your pawn here. If he checks, you take with the rook. Now, he's gonna try and attack your queen. But